Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today we will see how to use the equal operator to get the data from database. MySQL equal operator returns the records from the table on the basis of condition specified in the where clause. So we can use the query like this. Select star from table name where date is equal to something, some date. Then it returns the data for that date. So I already have an employee one table and there is a date column here. There is a date column and I want to get this record. Then what I can do, I can write a query like this: select star from employee one where date is equal to is 2008 12 23, and this will return the this date. And you can also write like this where date like this, but this query is much efficient because it compares the date and it is using the like query. So any of the two ways you can use as per your requirement in your project. The equal to operator is compare your date column with the specified date and then returns the data. So if I make it greater than equal to, then it will return all the dates, all the record where date is greater than or equal to 2008 12 23. Now I can also write if I want to get this record, I can write it is 20 23 12 23. So it is returning the this record, and if I change the date and it is trying to match the record with this date, but it is not finding any record, so it is returning. In this query we are trying to match it with the 2023 12 24, but it is not finding any data, so it is returning the empty set. So in this way you can use the equal to operator to match the date. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.